In this video, we'll cover how to use the smart dimming feature of the Flic Twist. And now, with this cool feature, you can adjust parameters individually, which maintains the relative differences between devices, where even if you go all the way up or down, you will always be able to get back to where you were. And to do so, make sure your twist is connected to the Flic Hub. You can find out how in the tutorial how to set up a hub with a twist. But once connected, choose your twist from the Flic app and select either the twist or the push and twist trigger by pressing the respective plus icon. For smart dimming, there are 6 available options to choose from: brightness, color temperature, color, saturation, volume, and blinds level. For example, you can select brightness to adjust the brightness level of your smart home lights. Then select the device you wish to control by pressing the setup button on the right side, search for nearby devices, and once they appear on screen, you can select them and use the smart dimming option of your Flic Twist.